Hi everyone, this is Kofi Pope from Atelier the Kofi Pope, and I'm here with another Photoshop tutorial. Next year, try a Photoshop addition. So, the topic ne be treating and year long topic. We are looking at how you be saving images after say you edit picture na we you share send you be save na fe you to your social media and say be say the my client be via WhatsApp and maybe I try to drive so and I go print here. You share how you be save file no. Nenti me treated this particular topic in say easy to save in Photoshop and distribute it. Your platforms be or no ma. Why you nice work we na wa posti ato ho no. We won say omotimate quality no so because ebia we image no MET specs no and algorithm na that platform no. Most times you posti your juma or Instagram and Instagram so our algorithm. And it's when to me and the algorithm so I say after say why you were doing any na wa posting no. It's either say Instagram better image no quality no so and I say obema distortion about colors ni mo. Enti ene video we mu eno na me ba be kire send you save image as in why you adwuma na o pese u save eto ho for future correction. And as why we na ebia u save na be one complete image now the amount client and as u save now they are to online, especially Instagram ama ubia before say you be jump into Photoshop when you start and adwuma no me person may use opportunity we they introduce Madam Fubako a friend of Kwesi Boat nyame adom he has been able to work his talent out na nyame adom Mama so amane drew MTN hit maker. And I'm just pleading with my viewers. I'm just pleading with my Photoshop lovers. I said, let's help support each other. And it is any wait me a dream purpose. Let's help support him by voting for him. So when you check on your screen, his information, his test code, and how you can be able to vote for him is there. So let us support each other. So since it's him, let us all support so that the next time you get to your turn, we can also support you. Mpempenswa you doing yes we new our channel we so me pese obi me subscribe button no afi wa subscribe no ma send me a bell icon na one chen ho send anytime be a me drop a new video be ano obenya notification no let me edi inchire no achi it means yenko Photoshop ni start here na adwuma so enti se see anu ya ba Photoshop na wo share workspace ni so your model back why I retouch ya hu adwuma leda our workspace ni so enti send na make no enemy kire send ya save project for future correction and I save edema client straight through a drive and email and send a bit me as save I be posty our Instagram and Facebook and any other social media platform. And first of all, no, the best starting send a CV to her for future correction. Send a CV image to her and a project or Photoshop to her for future correction. No, you will move two types. You will saving it as PSD and saving it as a TIFF. You be save your file. No about save as. Oba save as I'm using Photoshop 2020 and say and my interface in beba. Those using 2019, 2018, 2017, a baby a hammer straight. Then you choose your location where you want to save the image. Intimate choose maybe a pictures, maybe a save pictures. Intimate person me save you into Oba save our file name. I now be name you file no. Me fan say me name no sample 1. Now save as type. Now be choose the format in which you want to save it. Yeah, me person me save image in a way in the future I can make corrections to it. And remember me checkbox na one me so I be drop up with either Photoshop PSD and TIFF na me select it. The difference between this is Photoshop PSD no is saving no in the Photoshop format. E be saving na fe eja the tag of Photoshop ewo o project no so. It mean fancy mia Photoshop no so na ye save ya. Ti mia PSD no so na save ya won say ye ba folder ni mu a na ye check ya. Ye hu ana who say a save or sample 1 but the Photoshop PSD tag and our logo now so you don't really get to know what it's inside the project. You don't really get to know what is inside the project. Remember the difference between Photoshop PSD and TIFF. With Photoshop PSD, maybe I'll cover maybe at 3 months, 6 months, 1 year time, and you want to correct the project you did. Who say, "Aji we be say unkai dina." Aji we be PSD file. You say answer. Ube the actual project you really worked on. But when it comes to the TIFF format now, and also ube saving the TIFF file, the same procedure: file, save as, save on computer. Into TIFF format and also no, who selected TIFF file. When say what the TIFF does, no, the TIFF also has an attribute of a JPEG and also an attribute of PSD. Many Americans say a save file no in a PSD form, but we know a somehow JPEG picture and a JPEG thumbnail. Our project file no so send here okoba in a long time you image you see say project way and I was showing mami save and so na share them me patch and so me save na me choose maybe into and so me save oba have bisa image compression into do you want to zip it and I do want to make it a JPEG and LZW it meant select JPEG. Yes, me the quality no so na me the quality no so at 12. Enti anu me save ni call back to the folder. But we say a save amount, but this type of saving no project files ni nyina aka ho. Eniema we lay adodo bi a obey bia no e kan ho, but just that preview no amount the preview like an image form. Enti anytime I person who say correction no the here say we page TIFF file no e dey at Photoshop workspace so na fe layer bia and folder bia e work bia when you layer and folder na fe why you do send your better as say no ma min create other layer e wo we so na min chiro bibi wo mu Obana sem no kura na ye bo mi yare wabeno mi ama na santia fe de woja ware oh ebrade nya me mesro ma me chiro bibi o yesa de akone de beda ni sawe okay se de ma me kan ye no ye ne kura se asem to wa na wo hu sa do fo bi ni kan ye ogayamba mami brana wo boni ogayamba woni bia ye mfi wo ogayamba oyankoni baby Ebi bebazi odofusu wabwa nina ye camouflage ayamba makai se uobia yetali unze bomba omo benkwamba jie omo benkwamba jie eh Timi van say sisi anu yenya another layer account enti explanation and I'm about TIFF. See a buffer save as now you saving as TIFF. But my man a different name. Me family income. You saving as TIFF. When say you buy a folder anymore, you buy a folder anymore. You know as an image. You bet me a use. You bet me use earlier in near maybe our Photoshop as an image. but untimi forward it and untimi mfa o client no because any phones be any device be an supportive into no way no ebema o picture view no o project panel mu send anytime a person osan call back acquire correction be an very easy for you to locate send anytime be a person osan go back osan call back now your correction be our image ni mu no wait me enti ti say ye be Photoshop na fe ye person ye sound tiff no ato hono mu a ye person ye sound e be tiff no our Photoshop. Okay, the first of all, I'm delete work no. Na fe yimie tiff no. It was who saving the tiff na our preview section honum na our folder ni mu no. Ubenya na as image ba ubie wo Photoshop a the layers no nyina wo create wo ho no. Ema saa so na ubie PSD file na wo Photoshop na and also ebema the same thing say we create layers wo ho a and so layers ne beba ama wo enya obi bia but just that the difference between PSD and the TIFF is PSD ni bema Photoshop tag as a thumbnail and as a cover page now TIFF no use project nankasa or image nankasa as a cover page until we say we save a project at all for future corrections. And the next one here say we save a project no na odiama or client and no use either say or use their either so use their any billboard and as or pay a print and any other user or client in a person or use so who save our client now the same procedure over file no about save as over save as no select JPEG was selected JPEG the entire selected JPEG and say most of the device now marketing devices be now use make laptop TV phones device be a timid display image beyond. Most of them deals with JPEG. Most of them can preview images in the format JPEG. And we think always advisable say who save project and who save work be ama or client no use who be saving in JPEG. Mostly the entire be saving in JPEG is who share the name their client at the image kono koye until who saving in JPEG. Emana the person the ABR no obetimi there so person preview on the TV so on the laptop so on the phone so obetimi use but say who save in a TIFF form emana ebi obetimi a preview on the laptop so and not went me and preview on the phone so and I say ebi I went me and preview on the TV so just because the phone and then the TV accept TIFF format until to say we save JPEG and so by save as type no select JPEG no name or file until name sample JPEG now I spell JPEG in the wrong okay sample JPEG me a save me a save a checkbox we beba now mostly na I am image quality to the maximum into 12 na format option me choose baseline standard you can choose baseline optimize wait me choose baseline optimize but mostly I am a person me image the highest quality possible I am choose baseline standard na me okay enti and so save now oba folder ni mu a ohun say sample JPEG no so ha save image no ama in a JPEG form a save image na ama JPEG enti say no the man client na be bia o person or the to bia so person show on the TV so person the tone laptop so person the tone like almost devices ni nyina ye betimi dey display ade no for the image in man in JPEG format we betimi display wo na mpo so person ko print so very easy man say we ko print it and na mostly no say CV and the ama client they advisable say be CV in a JPEG form. And the last one and the most important one say ye CV near the to Instagram and Facebook and I'm fancy social media platforms. Once your social media platform a bia algorithm. Because algorithm a bia wo inshisha a bia was a udiso answer obetimi de image at all. So when din shisha no so a baby actually ni say you see that say we image na why hu adwuma fefefen Photoshop. We say o de beto ebia Instagram. I mean use Instagram. Ninja me use Instagram and say most retouchers no aya a whole near day your project and I adwuma etutu. To we say you find Instagram say as went me and follow the algorithm Instagram the bema now who saving anyhow make anyhow who undermining the algorithm of Instagram now save it at the who save you image now for we imported to Instagram. I go say Instagram be compress with image you know because on be compress on be take with image no quality no so ama send e bia ohunu wo o machine so send you ohunu wo laptop ni ko phone so after say we save you no e bia how the two Instagram ho anya sa and viewers e be hunu viewers be hunu differently. You see that some be hunu say o colors no aye bibia wo ho and as image na kasa pono enye sharp intino essence yem person say dey ni base no I was say you follow Instagram for algorithm na fe you disave image no. And the first of all no be check image cropping size no image we no my hu adwuma asave deda enti ma save no send e meet me aposti our Instagram enti oba image o person who details na about image no about image size into oba image size into oba image size na for the format no at 2 pixels for the format no 2 pixels I will say image in my width no 1080 and I'm a height no 1350 1080 and a height 1350 my resolution and I'm a quality no so at a 72 resolution and I'm a sample no automatic and you know a hanom no which means I am a size in it and you moving on to image way there mean yeah size no and you share image size now when we say with the 2 pixels I will say we that 31,000 pesos, not 44,000 pesos and beyond. Into I have no with the 2 Instagrammer. You see that say into image when made the 2 Instagrammer. You see that say Instagram ebe crop image ni be free mu because of crop image ni be free mu or better size no so. Better size no so you see that say bia me post minya esro hanom and I be a minya ase ha. And I say Instagram to me accepting in na obo say obete we image quality no so obete so crama we image no send e bia e sharp e wa hama wo e bia we beto Instagram no na anko e sharp nti ye pese ye prevent side nti first of all the be say ye be copy image nti ye be crop na Instagram no aya e wo size accept either 4:5 and 8:10 into no me input me crop size no 8:10 into 8:10 no and a ratio na menya na fe udi we image no wa fit we image ni pepepe to fit that ratio na create no into see na ya create cropping see na ya crop here no you bet me ahead na fe ya save image no and Instagram who save picture or Instagram and send you follow procedure na you save ma client no and send you save it to her for future correction. Instagram dey any different. Instagram dey no you save at web. You find say Instagram no so a website. Inti save at web. Inti no beba file. No about export. Oba file no about export. No about save for web. No about save for web. To oba save for web, oba won say and also a BA interface for at the amount. Interface na be amount no. Oba the right corner. Oba who preset ni actual on name. And their hanum no ubet me and name me project ubet me and name me image no ever have. But me skip the first line. Na fe image format no they have to give the person a JPEG into best select JPEG. Select JPEG na quality no at that low. It made the quality no so ever too high. It made the quality no ever too high. The quality no too high. Who say how much quality is a 60. Maybe I make more than 60. It may type maybe 80. 80. To me the 280 about man can be quality name no they are too very high. They are to optimize optimize any embedded color profile. So we and check it and message say over checking in now if we check it convert to sRGB. Mostly Instagram accept sRGB photos. They can't sRGB. sRGB tackle mostly colors what we image into sRGB color profile. Color profile and Instagram accepting mostly sRGB. Into we check sRGB format. Now if Baba as a copyright metadata so copyright can one mostly I have this side escape because to me I share that I use. Now for image size mostly their Instagram accept a 1080p. Mostly their Instagram accept and it's a Obama will image in a width. Obama will image in a width I 1080p. Into Mami image in a width I 1080p. And just 1080p ni pepe na Instagram accept. Instagram can accept more than 1080p and less than 1080p depending on senior or cropping Inti I be mindful senior or cropping any mindful senior or weight maintenance senior Instagram and cropping part of your need. Inti say we share preview our we share preview say and IT. We share preview say and the width at 1080 and the height so at 1350. Now what make sure say quality under image size at that bicubic say at any other place the nearest neighbor and either bilinear. Make sure so they better bicubic. Whether to bicubic we are not the baby me say me a save. Me a save as usual. We select baby person who save it too. Baby I select desktop. We save it to desktop. Then so my name it for Instagram. For Instagram. That image only formatting should be an image only. That made me save. Then also desktop. She buy a desktop. I won't say I save you fine. Am I? See and when you bet me a posty at Instagram. Instagram NT a color so NT a sharpness so send you who are who post you on Instagram. Sa pepe and another way of it means so I save image there to Instagram. Oh yeah, very mindful of cropping. As a obeba file, no about export, as Oba interface we are, and so no. The here and say Oba interface we are. I had no so you bet me a CV and the ato Instagram. And whom here say be crop into that 8 10 and now 4-5 crop ratio you bet me afa your image in send it here na fe ya save at their to Instagram. But mostly no there was a put it in mind and say obema or width no obema or the width of your image no I 1080p. Obema the width of your image no I 1080p. Na fe wama or quality no I ebia 85 and 80. Oh, sorry, my cutting Baba file export as be interface now. That is an Americano. Bama wait on 1080p. 1080 pesos. P in stand for pesos. It's 1080p. We say even 1080p in the year. That made the quality so at to 85. The quality so at to 85. Now for my metadata and so share that using to be manner than none. Now for color space to send a make a color profile and color space. Let's check convert to sRGB. You must check embed. You must check embed color profile. No, we check him you know he has made me an export. Me export and then so we choose to be a person save it. That way, my mama found a name. Save for Insta without crop. And so me saving is here. Me a save. Then and also call you buy a desktop who see your image in the house. You save it. It is say na we na ya save you bet me a post it at Instagram. And who here say you be crop it into the Instagram ratio. Enti aha me dey and so addition no ebesi na me chere say na sifa e save your project e wo Photoshop say na be save e dey ama client and as e be save ato say na da chimbia no corrections be e wo hu bia no you bet me aye and I say you be CV near the ato your Instagram page. Ama your followers so who normal like it. In Jahani the bedroom. A BM so me Koswa Akayo as a good friend of Atelier de Kofipo is in the competition which is ongoing. I will MTN Hitmaker 9. His name is Kwesi Boat and he's counting on you to also vote for him. So when you check on the screen, you see how you can be able to vote for Kwesi Boat. So let's all do our best to vote for him and we all move together. There is a saying that when you want to go fast, you go alone. When you want to go far, you go with people. So let's all help our brother so that he gets what he deserves. And it's how you knew our channel way, so now we need your content now me create now. Message will be me a subscribe button now. Now when me a bell icon, send anytime we make up a new video, we get notification. Now wait me at the na bi omuso bibia a wonti ase e video ni mu ana mi previous video bi emu message we beja comment e comment section ni mu na me kan na fe bibia wonti ase bia my address ya ma na fe what ya say ni na e wetimi akoye ni and then no me hu nhada mfa me enu nti na akoye say energy no e wo form kakra ba me ye me hu aduro enti in the next video I will come back with full energy. My name is Kofi Pope from Atelier de Kofi Pope. Photoshop is fun, no cause for alarm.